Okay, I'm out in front of one of my new listings here in Trilogy Polo Club. This is in the resort collection. I call it the shared wall homes, just so it's easy to understand. You share the one wall there. Extremely soundproof, state-of-the-art technology. These houses built by Shea quite recently. The last home was built just around a year ago, but not even a stone's throw away, but a jumping distance away from the clubhouse with a long list of amenities. If you want to learn more about Trilogy Polo Club, at the start and at the end of this video, you can find my link to learn everything about Trilogy Polo Club. But for now, we're going to focus on this new listing here on Rosewood. Square footage is right under 1,300 square feet. You get 2 bedrooms with a den. Up front is our second bedroom, second bath. Real light and bright offering here. This floor plan or anything in the resort collection is smaller and commonly a single homeowner's option, or even snowbirds, popular area for snowbirds to buy a home because they don't always need as much square footage when it's winter time when they're here. But still can work for 2. Across the street, as I said, is the clubhouse, and whatever square footage you're missing here, you could happily head on over there and cash out on that air-conditioned square footage. You'd have to share, but it's an option and really helps people get through the summertime. Here's our garage, 2-car garage, epoxy floor with the mini split upgrade. Those mini splits give you the ability to store things in the garage that are heat sensitive. A huge perk living here in the desert. Light and bright, it's west facing to the backyard that way. This is the kitchen and living room space. Upgraded cabinets. Stainless steel appliances. Really easy to understand floor plan. My client has installed drop-down shades for this patio, but you can see in my listing photos and out the window here, really nice mountain views. If you want mountains, they're in the south and the west. So what comes with the west is at the end of the day, as soon as it's summertime, it can be a bit toasty. So what my client here has done is installed these easy to operate drop-down shades. You just click the button and those drop on down, and that makes a world of a difference. Also some blinds in here to help combat that. But the HOA takes care of the front and the back with these homes. A huge perk for my client here, the homeowner. This is a second home for her, so not having to worry about the backyard is huge. A nice barbecue set up here, and then throughout Polo Club are these common area greenbelt parks. Not tons of traffic, but you'll see some residents from some of the other shared wall homes walking up to the clubhouse here. It's a cool little backyard to hang out and people watch. Our last stop's going to be the primary. Cool little backsplash there. Tons of, this house screams pride of ownership. Very clean, easy, smells good, looks good. Colors are neutral. You can pretty much move right in here. Nice upgraded shower. Everything here neutral coloring. It's gonna work for most people. That's gonna conclude this walkthrough video. Thanks for watching. Stop on by. I'm here at open house often. If you want to look at this property, reach out to me or have your agent reach out to me. Thanks for watching this walkthrough video. We hope to hear from you soon.